Hi everyone, hope you're well. Just continuing with some of our behind the scenes videos here at Valve & Process Solutions, just to show you the diversity of some of the products that go through our valve automation centre. Today we've got some Worcester 3-piece ball valves. This is the F59 Series. These have actually got OD, butt weld OD ends, so they'll be going onto a tube rather than a pipe. We're fitted with the Norbro spring return actuator and the Westlock Switchbox on top. There's just a couple of features on this particular package that I just wanted to show you because I think they're quite interesting. This one is actually fitted with a locking mounting kit. So we've got the standard mounting kit that we would have between the valve and the actuator, but the customer's actually asked that this valve can be locked in the closed position. So it may be that occasionally they've got people working downstream of the valve and they want to lock it to make it safe for the person that's doing the work. Usually you'd probably see a manual valve with a locking device on there for isolation, but in this particular application they've not got the room for that. So what we've done is we've fitted with the mounting kit, and there's two holes in the mounting kit and there's actually a hole through the drive adapter. So when it's in the first position, this is actually the storage position, so the pin can be kept in the storage position. When the valve's closed and they want to do some work, they remove the storage pin, they put it through the pinion and out the other side, and then the operator can lock it off with a padlock. So he may have his own padlock, or it may be some kind of a tag in, tag out system that they use. And while that's locked off, there's no way that that valve can open. So the person doing the work downstream is safe. Once the work's finished, the engineer can come, he can remove the padlock, and then he can put the locking pin back into the safe position, the storage position, either take his own padlock with him or leave the padlock in place so it's there for next time somebody wants to lock the valve off. So quite a nice neat solution that for an actuated package. We get asked for these on occasion. The other thing I wanted to show you on this particular box is we've got the Westlock Switchbox on here, but as you'll see in this particular conduit we've fitted a pin connector for the customer, and that's all pre-wired into the terminal strip. So when the package arrives at site, all the customer's got to do is bring in his field wiring with his pin connector on, fit the pin connector, fasten the pin connector on, and away he goes. Doesn't have to worry about glanding or whether the switches are terminated in the right way. It's just really a plug and play device, and it can be fitted very, very easily. We can do that on any of the Westlock products that we supply, so if you've got a particular pin connector that you like to use, we can accommodate that for you. So that's the package. Just thought I'd show you these because they're quite interesting. We don't see a lot of these locking devices going through the works, so we just thought we'd do a little video. Just got to test the P&F sensors in here, set the sensors for the customer for the end of travel, stroke the valve a few times just to make sure everything's okay, and then we can get these sent out the door today. Thanks very much for watching.